from what I call the 7-second syndrome. That's actually a lie. It's less than 7 seconds. But it's the amount of time people will spend looking at your web page, which is what your LinkedIn profile is. So if you don't engage them in that 5 to 7 seconds, mainly because they may have done a very poor search, for those that are young enough, they're going to Tinder you, they're going to swipe you, they're going to look at the next person. So if you don't engage them in those 7 seconds, you might be the best accountant on the planet, but they're never going to scroll down far enough to find out. What do we need to do? What happens in those 7 seconds? Well, initially, as I say, there's a generic search. So they might put 2 words together. It might be senior accountant or accounts partner. But again, put that into the search engine on LinkedIn. You're going to get a very large result. At the top of your profile, regardless of it being on an app or on the desktop, it's the banner. Just below that is your headshot, the headline that sits directly underneath your name, then the About section. The first 3 of those they can see without touching the keyboard or swiping their phone. So the first 3 are very crucial to get people engaged in those 7 seconds. And as I say, unfortunately, you're probably in a very large pool with lots of other people. But let's tackle the first thing. Get that top of your profile engaging. Get people to stay around longer than 7 seconds. This is it. This is one of mine from a little while ago. Yeah, the banner at the top, headshot, headline, and if they get to it, your About section. So that banner needs to tell a story, okay? So in this particular case, a combination of images and also words will just confirm, because I don't think a picture paints 1,000 words. You might need to add a couple of keywords around what it is that you specialize in. Put them on the banner. So in this particular case, you know, if you're looking for someone who's involved in voiceover and in those particular fields he's given you, then you know you're in the right place. You found the right person, and the likelihood is you're then going to scroll down.